Normally, GoFindMe devices will pair to each other automatically without extra settings, as long as they share the same group code. To guarantee unencrypted communicating of your group, we suggest you bulk modify the group code and region for all devices in your group. Tap Setting button. Enter bulk setting. Enter group code. Input a new code. Choose the devices you want to bulk modify. Done. The same way to bulk set your region. Tips: if any device are not on the connection list, remember to check its group code is the same as others or not. Enter General Setting. You can see the group code here. If your group code is not the same, please edit again.